If you're looking for a solid surface sink, then you've came to the right place. I'm David, and in this video we're going to look at Grifform's different solid surface sink builders. Grifform offers 5 different sink styles, these being kitchen, lavatory, utility, surgical, and baby baths. Depending upon the sink style you select, you will have multiple different shape options to choose from in that style. Our lavatory builder has the option to choose between round corner, coved corner, formed, ramping, and scoop lavatory types. Our kitchen, lavatory, and utility sinks have both standard and custom builder options. Through our custom sink builder pages, you can select a sink type and shape and customize your shape to any custom size and drain location. This allows our users to quickly and easily bring a design to life. Through our standard builder pages, you can quickly generate an estimate and select a sink in one of the many different sizes and shapes for each style. All of our different solid surface product builder pages have built-in color selection areas, which allows our users to create a color theme across their space. Depending on the different sink style you choose, you can choose from one of the different 5 sink style mount options. These being undermount, overmount, wall mount, vessel, and farm face mount styles. I hope this video helped you decide if our solid surface sinks are the right fit for you. After you've designed and submitted a quote with us, be sure to watch our What's Next video section to find out what to expect.